So what's going on, tool groupies? Welcome to the Backwoods Mechanic channel. Today we're going to be doing a tool review about a POWERBUILT product. POWERBUILT Zeon sockets. Now this is product number 941355. All the information will be in the link in the description box below, so you can go check it out. Check out where you can pick these up at, and you'll have some more tool reviews down there from the Backwoods Mechanic channel if you want to look at them. Now this is the POWERBUILT Zeon 8-piece socket set. Now this isn't just your regular old socket set. This is specifically supposed to be a patented socket design that is to help remove rounded off, stuck fasteners. It is supposed to be great for standard, rusted, damaged, rounded fasteners, as you can see right here. And it says that it can go anywhere from 0% to 85% rounded, and we're getting ready to check that out. Now, this particular product I did pick up from O'Reilly's Auto Parts store, but you can get them from a wide variety of different places, probably Advanced Auto, AutoZone. You can also get them at CarQuest. Now, this particular set comes with 6mm, 8mm, 10, 12, and that is all in 1/4-inch drive. The 3/8 drive, you get 13, 14, 15, and 19 millimeter. For warranty information on this particular product, because it does say that it comes with a lifetime warranty or a limited lifetime warranty, you call 1-800-423-3598. Of course, you can also go to www.powerbuilt.com, and these sockets are made in Taiwan, so it's actually made from some pretty good steel, considering that it's made in Taiwan. Now it's supposed to, like I said, work on standard all the way up to 85% rounded off fasteners. And I picked up the metric set to try out because most of what I work on is automotive stuff, and well, of course metric is automotive. And it does have US patent number 7168374B2. The patent is pending on this particular item, so it is relatively new, and we're going to try them out here. Specifically on this 14mm bolt. As you can see, I have stripped the hell out of it, and it's pretty good and rounded. Most of the time, whenever they're like that, you got to have a special little socket, special little tool to get these things off here. And that is a 14mm. Now, of course, this particular set is made out of chrome vanadium steel, and as you can see, it comes in a nice little package here. The standard set is a black package. This one is a red package. We'll pull them out and give them a look, as you can see what they look like. Fully polished mirror chrome finish. And of course, the first few up through here is going to be your 1/4-inch drive up top, and then down through here is going to be your 3/8 drive. Now the sockets themselves, we will see what they look like. We'll start with the 19mm. Of course, they've got the diamond plate design, something to kind of grip with if you need to turn these by hand. It does have POWERBUILT Zeon imprinted into it, CR-V, and the 19. So it's got the size identification, the brand of tool it is, and the model of tool it is. And here is what the inside looks like. As you can see here, it's kind of got the dip right there on the walls of the sockets. That's outside from the points, and they come down, and they dip just a little bit steeper than your traditional sockets, and they got a line that runs straight up the middle of them. So it is supposed to grip on both sides. Now again, here is our fastener we're going to check out. I'm going to put her in the vise here, and we're going to see if these things are worth a hoot or not. Make sure this get good and tight. And when they're slipping on us, as you can see, this is a 14mm. I'm going to continue making sure she is stripped out. And she is. Very good and stripped out item. I can go all the way around it with this wrench right here, as you can see. Stripping it. So it's going to be nice and rounded. Now we're going to try our 14mm. As you can see right here, that is the 14. We're going to get us a ratchet, and we are going to try it out and see if these things actually work or not. All right, folks. Yeah. it's nice and beaded up right there. It does fit pretty tight. You don't even want to go over it, and it's pretty rounded. And this is a 14 millimeter. Make sure I got that right. Yep, she's a 14 millimeter. This one is a 14 millimeter. So this thing does fit nice and tight already. Pretty impressive. The way these sockets are designed, apparently they do help in certain circumstances, because that has the dip that comes down, and it ain't even sitting on the corners there where it should be, if you could see that. But what it did do is where that big fat dip is in the middle of them, is it gripped onto the outside walls whenever the 12 point would not. So now I'm going to try something else just to be curious here. We'll go ahead and thread this thing back on. If I get my socket back off, here we go. We're going to go ahead and try the 15 millimeter out, just see if it'll help out too, because it's one size bigger than what that is. And I just want to see if it'll pull it off here being one size bigger. It don't look like it's gonna work out for us. But that is one size bigger. We go back again to the 14. And it does fit nice and snug still yet, even though it is nice and rounded off, as you can see, 14 millimeter here. And it is still stripping all the way around. Nice round fastener. No matter how many times I put this thing on here, it is stripping it off. It's almost like the open end deal though, but even the open end is slipping. The open end did slip on this particular fastener. But once again, we will put on these POWERBUILT Zeon sockets. Make sure she's nice and tight. And it's pulling it right off there. Now, I'll tell you right now that I am pretty surprised, because I didn't think it would make that big of a difference the way this thing was designed. But as you can see here, this thing is pretty rounded off, folks. I mean, that's at least 85% rounded, and it did grip it. So I believe I'm going to go and I'm going to use this set a few different times again, and I will go buy me a standard set, because I don't just do automotive work. I also do some boat repair work from time to time, and I work on industrial equipment. I contract myself out to an employer from time to time, and I believe I'm going to invest in some of these POWERBUILT Zeon sockets. Now, if you want to see more tool reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, like, share, comment below, and check out some of the tool reviews on the Backwoods Mechanic channel. And I tell you what, I'll see you next time.